Step 1. Attaching the comfort straps. Secure both strap clips to the tank loops found at the bottom of the tank. Next, slide the adjustable strap through the top tank loop. Continue by sliding the strap under the buckle fitting. Then insert the strap over the buckle fitting and lightly tug at the strap to make sure it's secure. Repeat on the other side. Step 2. Attaching the top and bottom holsters. Remove the nuts and bolts, holsters, and nozzles from inside the tank lid. Slide the top one holster onto the protruding holster mount on the sprayer tank. Insert a nut in the hexagonal slot, followed by a bolt on the other side of the holster. Screw the bolt using a Phillips head screwdriver until the bolt fastens into the nut. Repeat for the bottom holster. Step 3. Installing the hose assembly. Remove the electrical connector cap located above where the hose connects to the tank. To connect the hose assembly to the tank, use the side of the hose that has the longer electrical connector wire. There are numbers listed on each prong that are labeled 1, 2, and 3. Using those numbers, align the prongs with the female electrical connection numbers on the tank. Once aligned and inserted, tighten the cap to secure the electrical connection. Thread the hose assembly onto the hose connected to the tank and tighten to secure. Note, the hose, once tightened, does not cover all of the threads. Next, remove the electrical connector cap located at the bottom of the spray handle, next to the threaded hose connector. As stated previously, using the numbers 1, 2, and 3, align the hose assembly prongs with the female electrical connection on the spray handle. Once aligned and inserted, tighten the cap to secure the electrical connection. Next, tighten the water delivery hose onto the brass threads found at the bottom of the spray handle. Step 4. Installing the wand assembly. Insert the carbon fiber wand into the spray handle. The gasket should rest on top of the threads. Once inserted, thread the carbon fiber wand onto the spray handle. Locate the included T-jet-style nozzle assembly and thread it onto the other end of the wand. To store your wand, insert into the previously installed holsters. Step 5. Inserting the battery. To insert the battery, unclip the buckle located on the back pad of the comfort straps. Open the battery door cover and insert the battery to power your sprayer. Turn your sprayer on using the single-speed switch. Now, you're ready to take on projects with more ease and efficiency than ever before. Simply squeeze the trigger, and you're ready to spray.